In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I've been generating anywhere from $200 even up to $400 a day just working about an hour or so from my laptop. In fact, today I've already made over $400 and the day isn't even over yet. So follow me as I share with you more proof and more information in this video. So let's get to it.
All right, now I'm on my laptop right now, and the first thing I want to do is log into my Stripe account, which is actually an account that I collect deposits that I've been making on a consistent daily basis. And I want to share with you some proof so you can see that I am making money. And then I'm going to reveal to you exactly how I've been able to do this. So anyone, no matter your background, no matter your experience, if you're coachable and you're willing to learn, you can actually do the exact same thing. Okay, so I'm in my Stripe account right here, and as you can see, Garrett Gets Results. That's actually me right here. This is my account. And as you can see, yesterday I was able to make over $500, and today I've been making today I've already made, $421.27. Okay, this is absolutely incredible. Now, I'm not sharing this to brag or to impress you, but really impress upon you what's possible. A few years ago, before I learned what I'm gonna share with you in a second in this video, I was actually a struggling waiter. I was working at a place called Chili's, and I was working for very low tips. I remember driving far in traffic. A lot of times it'd be rainy, and I would just be on my feet all day, and I wouldn't make this in a single week, grinding all day long on my feet, what I'm making on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so it's absolutely powerful. Now, what exactly did I do to do this, and how can you plug in and start to do the same thing? Well, it's very simple. All I do with this opportunity is copy paste ads. Okay, copy and then paste ads on social media sites like Facebook, Craigslist, Twitter, and every time those ads make sales, people buy the product that I'm promoting, I get paid a commission, okay? And the opportunity that I'm actually sharing with you in this video is 100% commissions and instant payout, okay? So unlike other affiliate programs, if you've tried other things in the past like this, where maybe you've referred someone to, an Amazon product and you've gotten paid, well, rather than getting paid a little tiny percentage of that sale and that referral, you're actually getting a whopping 100% commission, and you're not having to wait, 7 days, 30 days to get paid out. This is instantly. So once someone buys, once someone decides to get started, you get paid instantly. Okay, so very, very powerful. Now, the next thing I want to share with you is that, I'm going to include a link below in the description where you can go ahead and, find out much more information on exactly, the products. I've covered that in a lot of other videos, what this opportunity is, how it works, and I'll include a link below. But right now, what I want to share with you is other people that have actually decided to join this opportunity, invested the one-time investment to change their entire financial future, and the types of results that they've been getting as well. All right, so right now you can see on the screen that Carlos Jimenez, okay, this guy reached out to me and he said, Garrett, I can't tell you how grateful I am, man. I have already gotten 2 signups today thanks to your training. Okay, and each sign up can pay you anywhere from $25 even up to $1,000 a sign up. And again, I'll include all information in the link below, but absolutely powerful. Another guy, just to share with you, that doesn't matter your background, anyone can do this. Garrett, your training is sick, man. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. Garrett, your training is sick, man. Got like 2 people saying they're joining later. Okay, because I give people, by the way, proven step-by-step training. Training comes with it when you join, but I also share with you proven training on exactly what I'm personally doing to make these daily, sales that you saw in the beginning of this video. Okay, right here, Bradley Jameson. Okay, thanks, man. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep cranking out money doing what works like you teach. Just got another sign up. It's almost daily. Okay, you have a great teaching style. Thanks. Have you been applying it? Yeah, and I got like 4 people saying they're joining. Okay, first sale. And again, hey Garrett, I just want to say that your posts are inspiring. I didn't even have the startup funds, but told myself I won't let anything stop me. I actually borrowed it from my cousin. Can't wait to do this, man. Okay, got my first sale. Again, I could go on and on, but I'm sharing with you because these people were brand new and they just got sick and tired of going through the motions, sick and tired of missing out with precious time with loved ones, and they saw the proof. They decided to get started. They were coachable, and they were able to do the same thing. Okay, so what I want to share with you is that there's going to be a link directly below in the description. It's going to look something like this. What I want you to do is go to the link if you're interested and you're serious about changing your life, and put your email in right here and hit send me the free video. You're going to get the free video on exactly how this business works. Again, we're not pitching our friends and family. We're not on the phone. We're not chasing people. We're not annoying people. All we're doing is posting ads on social media. Those ads make sales for us, and we get results like you've seen in this video, okay? So go ahead and do that. Now, last but not least, you may be wondering, what do I need to be able to do this? All you need is Wi-Fi connection, a laptop or smartphone, and a PayPal account, okay? That's how we get paid. If you don't have a PayPal, it's free to create one, and you'll start receiving deposits as you follow our proven blueprint. So I just want to thank you so much, my friend. I want to share with you how I've been making money online, how my students and teammates have been making money online. Go to the link below if you're serious. Check this out. Get started, my friend, and I want to welcome you, and I look forward to helping you take your life to the next level. Take care.